Hey guys, welcome to the second episode of the Birdhouse. Mentioned I had a couple other vehicles at a different lot. So we're here at the shop. Not all these cars are mine, but this is what we're doing out here. Check it out. A couple of 50s Chevys. This hearse is sweet. This Cadillac, this 56 Cadillac, we took it to Whataburger last week. It was so much fun. I'll post some pictures. Me and my buddies actually sitting in the back eating. Oh man, it was awesome. This is definitely one of the coolest cars out here. Yeah, I mean, both of these, the 55. Very cool. Well, I got a second. I'm walking up here. So kind of got inspired by the guys at Roadkill, and want to take some cars out and show you some more builds and road trip them. I'll have to give you a sneak peek. This is the Dope Fiend limousine. Disgusting van, but it'll be cool. Coming up here, we're going up to the shop now. There's a whole bunch going on. We've got motorcycles, people who don't just like four wheels but two, all different kinds. Bikes, dirt bikes, Harleys, Indians. Jacked up 4x4. Look at this, pick them up. Look at this 55. We got so many of these things out here. It's insane. Sorry, I'm a little congested. Super cold this morning. My nose is running. Yeah, this is the shop. Old dog to pick him up. Pretty good, sir. How about you? I know. He's got the moonies on it. This isn't my truck. This is JB's truck. Very cool dude. Very cool truck. Hopefully we'll be able to talk, know a little bit more about the car and the guys out here. Old Cutlass. There's two of them. Check this out. And look at the wheels on this thing. Ridiculous. Oh my goodness. Just about everywhere you look, there's something hidden. Little VW. Another pick 'em up. What I love is these old hood emblems. So cool. Very cool. Over here we got the Plymouth, what is it, the Skylark. What the heck is this called? This isn't my car. Just got here. The Satellite. That's what it is. Plymouth Satellite. Then we got the COE. Cool car hauler. in the works. The Novas. Got a couple of these here on the yard. This was a Bronco 2 and a Ranger made into one. There's a body guy here, does super good work, crazy stuff. And he got bored one day and wanted to put the two trucks together, so that's what we got. I'll make my way this way. We'll swoop around the yard. So over here I have like my convertible Galaxy, another the other Barracuda. This one has a big V8. Very, very nice car. This one's done right. It's not all nasty looking. So this is a Bronco 2, like what that truck got made out of. Little VW, 69 Mustang. Everybody loves Mustangs. Yeah, what happened is the guy left the battery on the seat and then never got around to getting to his car, and it just went right through it. So everything else is really nice except for the hole in the seat. Very nice car. Another little Nova. I'm not a big fan of this huge window, but they're cool. Scout. Some assembly required. No low ballers. Just kidding. And another convertible Galaxy 67. This is the muscle car version of the lowrider convertible I have down at my house. Other yard. Another beat up van. Go this way. Tire graveyard. We got a few more Internationals. These Scouts. I'd rather see like that Bronco you saw by the shop. That's more my speed. But these are cool. There's market for them, that's for sure. I just always thought they were funny. Little cars. Another 55 yeah, I think I'm pretty sure this is 55. Sorry, there's so many of them out here. I'm not gonna mess with it. Maybe the other door, but yeah. Very cool cars. Here into Chevys. Back here we have a couple of Fords. These are a couple of my favorite cars here. We got the 2-door. And let me go around this butte. Another old pick 'em up. Dodge. We got a bunch of Dodge trucks out here. Ow, that's pokey. Yeah, check this baby out. This is the 2-door. Very cool car. And then here is, there's the 4-door. There's the 2-door. Sorry guys. I was looking at this car, talking about that one. Got a little ahead of myself. Yeah, but look at these guys. How cool, huh? Yep, old fire truck. And if you guys have any questions about any of the cars that I've showed, because I know I haven't really gone into much detail on each car, because if I did, I'd be out here probably for 2 years. Not gonna lie. If you have any questions about cars that you want to see, or if there's anything under the hood you have questions about, let me know, and we'll get to you. Little Rambler, some trikes. Back here, we have the school bus. Look at this thing. So my friend and his cousins and all of his friends, when he was a little kid, would drive this around and cruise it, cause mayhem in the area. Back when it was all dirt here in West Texas. Another old Chevy. This car is actually available if anybody's interested. Another Mustang. Got a bunch of these out here. Honestly, I prefer the T-Bird, but everybody likes Mustangs, so yeah. And we got the 3 Buick Specials. I think these cars are freaking awesome. Look at the body on this. So hopefully make 1 2-door and maybe a 4-door. Who knows? Another school bus. Or maybe they'll just sit here forever and I'll never get around to them. Who knows? It's all fun. Little chop top. Alright, so this car over here is badass. This is my friend Don's car. And it is a fucking hot rod. He hot rods it all around here. Very cool guy. Hopefully we'll be able to talk to him as well. Very cool car, very cool guy. He's awesome. Another Ford. And then 56 Cadillac. Look at this thing. The 2-door. If you don't like this car, you may as well just close the video now, because this is probably the coolest thing that we have out here. Talk about classy. And then this truck is the whole reason I did the second video, because I told you about that Corvette and how I had planned to put it in my 49. So this is the truck that I'm going to put it in. It's already a solid truck. I mean, it has the gauges and cluster, but I want to take them out, go with the Dakota Digital, and really just clean her up, put that 6-speed transmission with the V8, get it really pushing its limits, see how far we can take this truck, maybe even take it to the drags, who knows, just have fun with it. Back here we have the old Firebird. Talk about a hot rod. Yeah, look at this thing. Little chicken coop. No chickens. Not yet. And then you have this old Imperial over here. Look at the taillights on. Look at all of the lights on this thing. How funny is this car? And like I said, most of these cars are not mine. We're up at the shop, and yeah, this is just what we're doing out here. Another Mustang. Very pretty car. Very nice. Like I said, we got a bunch of them. And hopefully the next episode we'll go down to the Mopar lot and we'll fire up some cars, do some hot rodding, and we'll have some fun. All right, guys, thanks for watching.